Ready for round number 4. Got my shrimp dumplings and my calamari boiling. Then I'm gonna got my spinach, my oyster mushrooms, my shiitake. I'm trying ramen this time. My other mushrooms, I got some mussels, clams, scallops. That's how, I'm not ordering off of that. I'm too old. He comes and gets my order. And then I throw it all in there. I just grab it by hand. They have tongs. That's what napkins are made for. Throw that in there. I'm finding out the secret is to let it cook longer. I wasn't letting it cook long enough and it was tough. These mushrooms have to cook for a while. The ramen doesn't, and neither does the seafood or the scallops. Just mix it around in there. Oh, wait, whoop. I was using chopsticks, but I got the science class tongs. Yeah, these mushrooms have to cook for a while. So does the, that's my dumpling. I put those in there and forgot about them. Where's my other dumpling? It's all you can eat. This is always good for, there's my other dumpling. Yeah, putting the chopsticks in there doesn't work because they're wooden. So I'll just let that boil again. Then I'll throw my ramen in, my spinach. I found out what the scissors are for. The scissors are to cut these damn mushrooms thing. Because if not, whoops. Let's get that out. That's tough. Okay, mix that around. Hey, it's my first time, but I'm getting a hang of it. I'm gonna come back again for sure. This is such a great place. I guess that's a dance floor. You can dance after you eat your hot pot. Yeah, they just opened like a week ago. Korean. I was trying to figure that out. I saw it said Korean. And yeah, the rest of the dining room. These are sauces over there. So yeah, it's great.